Hi everyone, Benidorm Crazy Marcus here, and welcome back to another brilliant video. Done here by the Bulldog, and today we will be taking a walk all the way up to the very top of Aveneda de Europa. First I'm just going to show you around Avenida Mediterranean. My mic there. Give us a wave. Car park just there. Then of course the beautiful hotel symbol, the statue, town sign that way, then of course Hotel Bellwood. So let's get this video underway. Gambo Salada Cafe, just there. And of course, pharmacy there. And a Thai massage parlour. Anyway guys, before I do forget, I finally started the live streams again. Live streams are on every Tuesday, 7 PM in the UK, 8 PM here in Spain. They got the hotels every group office, and it is a nice 20 degrees today. The live streams are a lot more relaxed now, with the mods in helping keep the calm. Also got a nice quiz. And then before I do forget, got some shout outs. Just sort of like a big thanks to me mods, Master Sounds UK, DJ Wesley Gaming, Stevie 007 and Joe. Thanks for being me mods on my streams. Like, thanks for all the help you're giving us lately. Lot calmer now. Got like a little shopping piece in there. Trying to see if my mic's behind us. Not sure. Anyway, little shopping piece in there. You got the Clinica Europa. Then of course on bottom half you have like the Ulcer bus ticket office, as well as a little cafe. Then on the upper half of it you have a bar, post office, tattoo studio and fake shop. We also do have the Benidorm tourist bus back up and running. Think they're doing regular trips now. Think the main pickup is outside Hotel Sol Pelicanos. Coming up on the corner we do have a Chinese restaurant, the Bund. Never actually been in there to be fair, but does look quite a nice little restaurant. So maybe soon we might nip in for a meal, see what it's like. Looking very quiet today, however. Directly opposite, you have a place offering a different sort of cuisine. The curry house pizzeria and takeaway. The kebab shop that. I think it's part of the kebabish King Empire. Not too sure. Does look a good place. Come on. Just looks quite nice actually. Nice big sun terrace as well. Looks to be very popular. Then another bit of it as well. Then of course further up from that is the 3B48 salt bar and kitchen. They are saying they're open, but no signs of life in there. Not too sure if they're open or not. Tacos Ben here. French tacos and burgers. And halal meat as well. They don't look too open, so fingers crossed this isn't another Benidorm business that has sadly had to hand their keys in. As well, we do have Nula, cafeteria and panaderia. Like a sort of coffee shop and bakery type place. I believe you can get like fresh baguettes, fresh bread, stuff like that there, fresh cakes. So, should be quite a nice place. Looks like over the road there is a hotel, but what I've seen is these apartments just here, guys, and it looks like the sort of garden area for them looks quite big, looks more like a park than a garden. Going to carry on up further up now. Got the grill meat house. Looks like the little birds up there have built a nest in the roof. Bless them. They have shut for today, the grill meat house. Then of course next door is a local supermarket. And finally the 24-hour pharmacy. Anyway guys, if you are liking the video so far, make sure to smash that like. Chinese shop here selling almost everything you could want. Like these handmade ornament type things. Look like sort of plates. Then of course you have the glass ornaments. And your glass paperweights. Very nice. Then of course Benidorm Cultural Centre just there. This is the back half of it also. Still being built. Very busy road is aveneda de Europa. It's sort of like a Momo used to get to places here in Benidorm, as you can probably guess. Always a lot of traffic coming up and down there. Very busy. Never really seen this road empty, to be quite fair. Coming further up Aveneda de Europa now. To my right is Calais Cheyenne. Just like that is Calais Cheyenne. Cause you got cheap and cheerful Cheyennes. Then of course the finish half of the cultural Benidorm place. Looks like that's going to be a pretty big building. Can't wait to see it finished. Carrying on further up Avenida de Europa, you do come up past MX Honda. Place that does your mobility scooter rentals, dune buggy rentals, etc. Very good place to go. Got your double scooters as well, your limo scooters. Looks like there's a hairdresser's there for rent. Then of course, rent a car Benidorm there, if you want a little bit more of a Benidorm. Hope everyone's having a good day so far today. Fingers crossed the weather's staying nice for you guys. Just ahead you do see some coaches, the also buses. Well, Taylor, I think one's an also bus and one's a school bus. Actually, no, they're both officer buses. Basically, they do like airport ones and all that. Like, they take you all the way to Alicante Airport. They're quite cheap as that, actually. I think like a ticket is €12, I believe. Nice little bar there shut for today. Got quiet up to Sprit now. Just sort of coming up towards the outside of Benidorm, like a more sort of residential type area of Benidorm. An area people wouldn't usually share. Cars shop there. Got some nice cars in as well. Audis. A Norton 750 Commando motorbike. Got a Volvo BMW up the back. A Nissan Juke. Or is that a Qashqai? Not sure. carrying on further up Avenida de Europa now. Coming sort of to the main way where the coach is coming from Alicante. Of course, you can just about make out the big fountain as well, right in the middle of the roundabout. They've recently fixed that, believe it or not. Think, if I remember rightly, over summer they had some problems that I think they had some plumbing issues that they weren't able to get the water coming out of it. But now it's back to what it used to be. And that is all in today's video, guys. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel as well if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.